Ensuring clean air in the welding industry is crucial to preventing serious health risks among welders, enhancing productivity and maintaining compliance with safety standards. Exposure to welding fumes is recognized as a known carcinogen and can also affect the productivity. We guide you on how to ensure a safe and healthy working environment, gain productivity, and stay compliant with the latest standards. With our extensive history, experience, expertise, and global presence, Nederman can help you create a safe, productive, efficient, and compliant welding operation. We offer you turnkey solutions, from design, commissioning to service, monitoring, and maintenance. As world-leading providers of clean air solutions, we are dedicated to provide fume extraction that meet your specific requirements. Whether you are operating a small welding workshop, field welding, or a large-scale automated factory, we have all your needs covered. We deliver clean air optimized for you.